this new game just dropped out, so let's check it out. The name is Grow a Garden 2. So I did some of camera grinding. Let me just place these bamboos. The game is actually really good. Y'all should try it out. The best way to earn money is by selling bamboos and mushrooms. And one more important tip, you can't get multiple traits. Like in GAG, the limit is only one. Keep these tips in mind, and if y'all did not start playing, play it. And if y'all are playing and didn't know about these tips, so then use them well. Bye for now, and enjoy your day.